Hello and welcome to the Vector Garden YouTube channel. My name is Monika, and in this video we're going to discuss the editability of the transform effect. I have created this shape by applying the transform effect to this triangle, and all these other triangles don't really exist. You can see this when going into outline view. You see there's just this triangle. So we can do a lot of editing on this. And in order to do that, what we need is the appearance panel. Let's open it in here. So you see there's the transform effect. So we can, of course, edit that base shape by just using the transform handles of the bounding box, but we can also do it using the effect. In order to edit the existing effect, you can just click on it and open the dialog box. And now we can, for instance, scale that horizontally, and you get this kind of shape. So, but that is probably not what we want to do, because we want just this triangle and want to have it slightly more compressed. So in order to do that, we cannot use this transform effect, but we need another one, an additional one. So we're going to Effect, Distort and Transform, and then Transform. And Illustrator warns us, but we want the new effect. And we can just scale this horizontally, and you see this is applied to the complete shape. So let's OK. And this has happened because the second transform effect has been applied at the bottom of the existing one. You see, there it is. And in order to get what we want, what we need to do is move it up there, and there we have it. Now, perhaps we want to have some additional effects applied to it, maybe some warping. Let's go to Effect, Warp, and make an arc. Like so, and you see there it has happened. What we have applied is a vertical warp instead of the basic horizontal, so we go to vertical and then we get this. But you see the center doesn't look like we wanted it, so let's go to OK. And in order to see why that happens, we are going to take a look at this thing without the second effect, which makes the copies. And there you see the bounding box is here, but the shape is now pointing above there. So let's see what we can do. The first thing we are going to do is drag this down here, and then we have it happening after the scaling. But this still doesn't fix our center. So let's go in here and then figure out how we need to move it. And let's get vertical, and when we move it slightly, you see by adjusting that, what we can do is actually get it to rotate from where we want it to. But that needs some zooming in and some trying out, and then you get that where you want it. So this is the possibility of how to edit the effects. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.